Question number 1. To empower women in technology, the Ministry of Skill Development collaborated with Microsoft to launch a new program. Which initiative focuses on skilling women in AI across higher education institutions? A. AI Shakti Program. B. AI Careers for Women. C. Digital Daughters Scheme. D. Smart Women Initiative. Correct option, B. Answer. AI Careers for Women. Question number 2. India's Earth observation capabilities are being upgraded through a new joint mission by NASA and ISRO. What is the name of this radar-based Earth monitoring satellite scheduled for launch in June 2025? A. Chandrayaan-3. B. GeoSAR. C. NISAR. D. EOS-09. Correct option, C. Answer. NISAR. Question number 3. Central Railway, in collaboration with the Bank of Maharashtra, introduced a new onboard facility on a passenger train. What pioneering service was launched on the Mumbai-Manmad Panchavati Express? A. Free Wi-Fi service. B. Onboard Medical Emergency Unit. C. India's first onboard ATM. D. Live Entertainment System. Correct option, C. Answer. India's first onboard ATM. Question number 4. On the 18th of April, World Heritage Day was observed to promote awareness of cultural heritage. What was the theme of World Heritage Day 2025? A. Preserving culture together. B. Heritage for the future. C. Heritage under threat from disasters and conflicts. D. Safeguarding ancient civilizations. Correct option, C. Answer. Heritage under threat from disasters and conflicts. Question number 5. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, former Indian Finance Secretary, has taken up a prominent role in an international bank. Which bank appointed Ajay Bhushan Pandey as Vice President in April 2025? A. World Bank. B. IMF. C. Asian Development Bank. D. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Correct option, D. Answer. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Question number 6. To reduce plastic usage in rural areas, Rajasthan's Baran district launched a unique scheme. What is the name of the scheme launched to provide utensils on rent in Rajasthan? A. Zero Waste Yojana. B. Utensil Bank Scheme. C. Rural Clean Kitchen Scheme. D. Plastic Free Home Scheme. Correct option, B. Answer. Utensil Bank Scheme. Question number 7. A sanctuary named in honor of a notable Indian figure has become Madhya Pradesh's 25th wildlife sanctuary. What is the name of this newly established sanctuary? A. Drive. APJ Abdul Kalam Sanctuary. B. Drive. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sanctuary. C. Rani Durgavati Sanctuary. D. Mahatma Gandhi Sanctuary. Correct option, B. Answer. Drive. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sanctuary. Question number 8. A new scheme combining several initiatives was launched to support minority communities. What is the name of the scheme launched in 2022? A. PM Vishwas Scheme. B. Minority Upliftment Program. C. PM Vikas Scheme. D. Skill India for All. Correct option, C. Answer. PM Vikas Scheme. Question number 9. India and Uzbekistan are strengthening defense ties through a recurring joint military exercise. What is the name of the joint military exercise held in April 2025? A. Yudh Abhyas. B. Disalik V. C. Indo-Uzbek Shakti. D. Surya Kiran. Correct option, B. Answer. Disalik V. Question number 10. To secure India's access to essential resources, a national mission was launched for minerals. Which mission was launched in 2025 to focus on critical minerals? A. India Mineral Security Mission. B. Atmanirbhar Mining Yojana. C. National Critical Mineral Mission. D. Strategic Resources Initiative. Correct option, C. Answer. National Critical Mineral Mission. Question number 11. The World Press Photo of the Year 2025 was awarded for a poignant photo from a conflict zone. Who took the award-winning photograph? A. Lindsay Addario. B. Summer Abu Alof. C. James Nachtwey. D. Giles Clark. Correct option, B. Answer. Summer Abu Alof. Question number 12. India celebrates Environmental Awareness with Earth Day on the 22nd of April each year. What was the theme for Earth Day 2025? A. Protect our planet. B. Restore our Earth. C. Climate Action Now. D. Our Power, Our Planet. Correct option, D. Answer. Our Power, Our Planet. Question number 13. To improve irrigation efficiency, the Indian government approved a scheme under PMKSY. What is the name of this approved sub-scheme? A. PM Water Vision. B. Irrigation Efficiency Program. C. M-KADOWN. D. Agri-Flow Yojana. Correct option, C. Answer. M-KADOWN. Question number 14. India's first satellite recently marked a significant milestone in April 2025. What is the name of the satellite launched in 1975? A. INSAT-1A. B. Aryabhat. C. Rohini. D. Bhaskara. Correct option, B. Answer. Aryabhat. Question number 15. An Indian judge known for landmark rulings will soon take the helm of the Supreme Court. Who is set to become the 52nd Chief Justice of India? A. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. B. Justice N.V. Ramana. C. Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. D. Justice U. Lalit. Correct option, C. Answer. Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai.